The 50-30-20 rule was created in the 1990s, rent was cheap, inflation was low. In 2026, that rule is completely broken. Welcome to Wealth Flip. Today, we're breaking down the budget method, replacing it fast. The 50-30-20 says 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. Sounds fine, right? Wrong. Rent alone in most cities now eats 40 to 50% of take-home pay before a single want. By 2026, inflation stayed high and rent soared, making the old saving rules feel impossible. The 50-30-20 was built for a different era. It's time for a serious upgrade. Enter the 70-15-15 rule. 3 buckets, no complicated spreadsheets, beautifully simple.
70% goes to all your living expenses, needs and wants combined, everything you spend.
Rent, food, transport, Netflix, eating out, entertainment, all fits in one bucket. No guilt.
15% goes straight to savings, emergency fund first, then short-term goals. 15% goes to investing, index funds, ETFs, dividend stocks, money working while you sleep. That's it. 3 buckets, savings and investing, split because they are 2 completely different things. Side by savings, a safety net guard. Here's why the 70-15-15 beats the old rule in 2026. First, it's realistic, no 12-category spreadsheet required. Treating savings and investing as the same thing is one of the safety net versus growth chart, 2 very different purposes. Second, if you don't have a guilt-free spending bucket, you'll eventually rebel against your own budget. The 70% gives you total freedom, no guilt, no micro-tracking, stay under 70%, you're winning. Third, the dual 15% split means you're building wealth and security at the same time. Not choosing between them, both at the same time, every single month. Let me make this real. Say you earn $3,000 a month take home. 70%, that's $200 for everything you spend. Rent, food, transport, Netflix, all of it. 15%, that's $450 straight into your high-yield savings account on payday. Virtual face. 15%, that's $450 into your investment account. Index funds, ETFs, your choice. $450 invested monthly at 8% annual return. In 10 years, that's over $82,000. From one simple rule, applied consistently every single month, leads to a massive final number. Here's exactly how to set up your 70-15-15 budget starting today. 5 steps. Bold. Step 1, calculate your real monthly take-home income. Everything after tax coming in, so that's $3,000. Step 2, multiply by 0.70. That's your total monthly spending limit for everything.
Step 3, set up an automatic 15% transfer to a high-yield savings account on payday.
Step 4, set up another automatic 15% transfer to your investment account. Robinhood or Acorn. Step 5, spend freely within your 70%. As long as you stay under, you're doing it right. The secret weapon, automation. When savings and investing move automatically, you never need willpower. Willpower fading away. You're not budgeting to restrict yourself. You're budgeting to protect your future self. Consistency, not intensity, creates progress. It's about being consistent, month after month. That's how real wealth is deposited, stacking into a skyscraper of wealth. The 50-30-20 had a good run, but in 2026, the 70-15-15 fits your real life better. Try it for 1 month. Follow and also subscribe to Wealth Flip. Drop a comment. Are you switching?